Hi, Jimmy Rogers here with the One Water Yacht Group. Thanks for joining me today in Cape Canaveral, Florida. We're here to take a look at the 2018 Absolute 60 Fly 4 Seasons. This is a very special boat that I'm proud to list. It's a very unique layout of boat for a 60-footer with a 4-stateroom, 4-head layout, including the transom crew quarters. The boat itself is very voluminous throughout, with a ton of interior volume compared to other boats of its size. It also has been very heavily customized by the original and current owners with extra refrigeration throughout, upgraded galley appliances, upgraded additional storage capacity, upgraded hydraulic lift capacity, shore power boost transformers, shore power selector switchover, Seakeeper 9 gyro. It also has a water maker spot zero unit, and additionally included in the purchase is a Williams 345 jet tender. Come on aboard, let's take a closer look. Jimmy Rogers here. Thanks for joining me today on the tour of the 2018 Absolute 60 Fly 4 Seasons. I hope you liked it. It is a really beautiful boat that has a ton of options and upgrades. Feel free to take a look at the full listing for the additional list of specifications and also maintenance work that is all up to date, making this boat a great choice if you're ready to go boating. Thanks again, have a great day.